Which of the following hardware components would be the most difficult to replace on a laptop computer? Well, laptops are tightly integrated. So take my MacBook Pro, for example. Well, actually, this is a very bad example because everything is pretty much soldered onto the motherboard, but a lot of Windows laptops have like RAM slots you can replace. They have extra storage slots. So let's look at one of the most difficult things to replace given one of those computers. So optical drive. Optical drive is for like media, any spinning disks. This is super easy to replace. Some laptops have it to where you can replace it without even taking the back part off. Just undoing some screws on the outside and pulling the thing out. That's how mine is on my old laptop. We have primary storage. Well, primary storage just can be a hard drive that's in a SATA connector. You just undo the SATA connector, typically 4 screws, and that's completely out. If you want to replace the whole system board, all you got to do is unscrew everything and pull it out. Integrated GPU, oh, that might be a little bit harder. If it's integrated to the motherboard, might take some desoldering, or depending, I don't even want to get into that. An integrated GPU means it's integrated onto the system board. That's going to be hard to take apart. Secondary storage is kind of like primary storage. You can just plug it in, screw it down, unscrew it, unplug it, that's it. Integrated GPU would be the most difficult out of these to replace on a laptop computer.